Hello, hello, hello guys. Try natin itong kape. Cappuccino, kung anong taste niya guys. Try natin. Kung mabango ba o masarap. Cappuccino. Mukuna Cappuccino. Try natin. Try natin guys. There's no harm in trying. May kasabihan na there's no harm in trying. So I will try this coffee. Let us see. Anong taste niya? Masarap ba o hindi? Wait lang ah. Hey guys. Tingnan natin kung anong taste niya. Anong style niya guys. Ito. Bumubula guys. Sarap. Sarap. Try nyo guys. Masarap siya. Medyo mapait. Kaya okay lang. Okay ang taste. Cappuccino. Yan guys. Yan. Masarap. Tasty. Try nyo guys. Sarap. Thanks for watching. Masarap guys. Try nyo.